making a new video today.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time. We don't ever have to fight. Just take it step by step.
And today we are learning about fidget spinners. Look how fast it spins. And if you can hear that noise, that loud noise, this is the fidget spinner. Woo. And these fidget spinners, people bring them to school, and they're like trading cards. Yeah, and people like trade them for like $20. And I got 5 fidget spinners. Just impossible. That was my video. See ya next time. Peace.
I feel it coming.